The Invincible Marketer, How to Succeed. Welcome to this video. My name is Bill Morrow and I've been working online for about 9 years, and all the time I have been looking for the best online marketing system. Well, now I have found it. The Invincible Marketer. This is a program I have gone through, I have completed, and I've built myself an online business, which is exceptional. It is ideal. And this is what you have arrived here for. You've come online to find internet marketing, working online, making a business from home, running a business from home. All of these things are covered in this program, and this is the way to succeed. To get a program which is right from the word go, complete. It builds and builds all the way through the sequence that you go through until you have completed, and you then have an online business, which is exactly what you need in this day and age, in this climate, and there's no doubt about that. So what I'm offering you here is more information about this program. So all you have to do to get the information is to come online, click on the link below in the description box, and then you will get an email from me with more information about the program. Now, I found the program, I'm offering the program to you, and it does work. I will also give you a further guarantee that I will help you to continue through the course. Someone you can ask questions to, because I've been through it. How do you do this? How do you do that? Everything is covered, but quite often we sometimes need a little extra information, a little extra push, a little extra bit of knowledge, and that's exactly what I've got, and I can give you that so that you can benefit from what I have been through, and I can guide you into where you want to go, right to a full internet marketing working system. So without further ado, click on the link, get onto the email list, and then you'll get further details all about the program in emails from me. So talk to you later. All the best. Bye now.